In these offers, you will get a total of 7 months free Nitro if you manage to get your hands on them. I will tell you everything about it. The first is from Xbox. This offer was launched in 2021. They revived the offer just 1 month ago. I've made a video on it already, but I will teach you again since the offer is still going. This offer is available for only these countries mentioned here. If you are not from one of them, just forget about it. Even the VPN won't work. Now to claim your 3 months free Nitro, go to Xbox page. Click Join Game Pass. The criteria here is you need to purchase its $30 Ultimate Pass to be eligible for the 3 months Nitro. After purchasing the pass, or if you already have one, you should be able to see 3 months Nitro in your Xbox inventory section, which looks kind of like this. Another thing is, you shouldn't have had Nitro for the past 12 months. This excludes the Nitro you get from Orbs, Nitro Basic, and Classic. As for the Nitro shared by friend, I don't know about that. This offer makes sense if you already have Xbox Ultimate Game Pass. The second is from PlayStation. This offer will expire on April 2nd, so you might want to make haste here. It's only for the limited countries mentioned in the list. Now to claim this offer, you need to simply go to PlayStation's page and then click its pricings. There are 3 kinds of subscriptions here. If you have its 1 month subscription, you will get 1 month Nitro, and for 3 month subscription, it's 3 months Nitro. I don't think there's anything for the 12 months Nitro. But again, the prices are too inflated if you are planning to purchase these just for Nitro. It's similar to Xbox nonetheless. The third offer is from Tracker.gg. This offer will end on June 16th of this year. You have plenty of time. This offer is for all the countries except for the ones that are tangled in wars right now. To claim the offer, go to its page and log in with your account. Then link your account with Discord too and YouTube if you have one. Now go to gaming sections like Fortnite, Valorant Rainbow Six Siege, Marvel Rivals, Apex Legends, and many more. You have to log in there with your gaming accounts. After logging in, an XP feature will pop up, and from there, you will receive your 1 month free Nitro. But still, for this, your Tracker.gg account should be at least 1 month old. So yep, that is it. In total, one can get around 7 months free Nitro on 3 different Discord accounts if you manage to get your hands on them. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you.